Today's going to be another short video, but we are going to be unboxing my first mystery tote from Portland Leather Goods. As you can see here, it's actually quite a big box because I actually ordered 2 mystery boxes. I ordered a medium crossbody tote plus 4 accessories, and then a mystery box with a tote only. I'm really excited. I have been waiting so long for my first mystery box, so let's get to it. All right, so opening up, it comes with this Portland Leather Goods card. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope I get one with a zipper. I'm just a zipper person. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting green. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that I got a green tote. So this is unfortunately not a zipper tote, which I'm a little bit disappointed about, but oh my gosh, let me just show you. So I wonder if this is peacock. Let's see here. Not to ruin it, but when you get a mystery box, they have the label here on the side, on the outside of the mystery box. And so this color is Jade, and let me just show you. Oh my gosh, it's such a really pretty green color, and I really like the contrast with the lighter straps. And this is probably, I'm going to guesstimate, this is probably the medium size because I have the large and it's just a little bit bigger. And I don't think this is quite the small size, but I'm not 100% sure. But this is super cute. Here's what the back looks like. Here's what the bottom looks like. And then the front has this nice size front pocket. On the inside of the tote bags, there is this attached pocket where it says Portland Leather Goods right there. And it's a nice size pocket. The thing that I love the leather. It's a full grain leather. And on the inside, it's actually the raw suede from the leather. And then on the tote bags, there's actually this key hook part right here with a snap closure, so you can see, so you can hang keys, or if you want to attach a little pouch, something like that there. So I am so excited that I got a green bag. I've been so into green lately. I just wish it had a zipper, but I'm not complaining because I am super excited about this green Jade tote. All right, let's go to my next one. All right, so I have one more, and this one should be the medium crossbody tote plus 4, so 4 accessories. The packaging is like for real on this thing. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited. What are the chances I got a pink and it's zippered? Oh my God, I am so excited. I think I might use this today. I'm about to head to work. I am in love, love, love. Check this out. This is pink. Let's see what color this is. This is Tulip. I am so in love. Oh, the 2 colors that I wanted were green and pink, and I got the 2 colors. I'm so in love. So there's the bottom. Oh yes, okay, so there's a crossbody strap, and it has the zipper. So you can see here, and you can see the zipper closure. I have this same bag in honey that I unboxed in my previous video, and I have been loving that honey medium crossbody tote. Now I can have other colors to switch it out. I am so obsessed. I'm so excited about this. All right, let's open it up and we will see what 4 accessories. I hope I got at least a little leather pouch. So let's see. This one is, ooh, this is really pretty. This is really nice. It's like a pencil. I've actually also been wanting one of these off their website. It's a pencil pouch, or you can put pens or other things in there. Oh, this is so luscious and so nice. So this is a purple. This leather smells so good. It feels so good. Oh my gosh, we are on a roll. Okay, next item. All right, we got a little tassel. So this, I actually think I might be able to put it, because on my medium crossbody tote, the thing that I wish that it had was a little zipper pull. So I'm wondering if I could fit something. Maybe I'll cut off one and then tie it on here to use as a little zipper pull or something. But I got this, it's like a yellow, I don't know if this is sunflower. It's like a yellowy gold little tassel that I can put on maybe the green with the yellow. Maybe that combination. Not sure. We will see. Okay. We got a pouch. Oh, I'm so excited. This is such a win. Okay. Oh, I'm not exactly excited about this color though. I personally think it's a little ugly. I don't know if this is cognac, but it's a like brownish color. But it's a pouch, which I wanted, which is good. And it's actually a really nice size. I think I'm gonna put my laptop chargers and cords and stuff like that. Oh, the leather is so luscious. So that's the third one. I am so excited. I got a journal. This is such a win. I got a green, what is this? A journal. I am so in love. This can match my green tote. Both of these, I don't know with the lighting, hopefully you can see. I think they're the same leather or close enough to the same leather, and it's nice that it comes with its unlined paper. So I'm just gonna tuck that in there. I'm actually gonna bring this with me to work today. I'm so excited. Now I can actually see the obsession with these mystery totes because I like the surprise, but also at the same time, the leather for everything is so nice. Here's what the back looks like. It says Portland Leather Goods right there. It's this like really pretty green. Oh my gosh, that was so fun. I'm so excited about my mystery totes. Just to review, I have the Jade tote right there. That was the mystery box from the tote only. And it's beautiful. It's like that jade green color with these really pretty light brown straps. I'm in love with, this is the medium crossbody tote in Tulip. So in love with this. Then I got this purple pencil case. I got this pouch. I don't know if this is cognac, but a brownish color. I got this journal that's in this green color. I don't know why the leather is a little bit bulged out, but that's okay. And then I got this cute yellow tassel thing. So I love it. Just wanted to share my mystery box. So that's it. I hope you have a great day.